be doing a calculus question. In this question, it tells us the following diagram shows parts of the graphs of two functions, f and g. The graph of f is linear and has an x-intercept at 6 and 0, and a y-intercept at 0 and 12. The graph of g has x-intercepts at -2 and 0 and 6 and 0, and a y-intercept at 0 and 12. So part A asks us write down the equation for f in the form of f of x equals mx plus c. So we know that f is our linear function, and we want to write down the equation in the form of f of x equals mx plus c. The first thing we want to find is m. We know that m is always the slope, which is rise over run. And we do that by picking 2 points on the graph and subtracting them from each other. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So on the graph of f, which is our linear function, we have the point 6 and 0 and 0 and 12. Since we always read the graph from left to right, our y2 is going to be 0 and our y1 is going to be 12. Our x2 is going to be 6 and our x1 is going to be 0. So now we have -12 over 6, which just gives us -2. So m equals -2. The next thing we need to find is our c value. We know that c is always the y-intercept. And in this graph, we see that the y-intercept is at 0 and 12, so c equals 12. So the equation for our function is going to be f of x equals m, which is -2, x plus c, which is 12. And that is part A of our question.